2019 Subaru Ascent. 2019 Subaru Ascent. Today we're gonna do brake pads. Alright, so first thing we do is take out this bracket. So you push it in and you create this space, and then just so we pop this cover here. And then there's another one here at the top. It's 7. Just pop this out. Okay. Now I'm gonna need this. I don't know what it is, but it looks like his rotor is too thin. Alright, so this is dual piston. Just get your brake pad compressor. When you press this, you gotta do it slowly. Fuck. So we're gonna replace the bracket. So we need to remove the bracket. So the bracket bolt itself is 17. Once we got the bracket out, yo, hey, my guy, we found the problem, my guy. So we found the reason why the brake pads pop out. So the guy used the rear brake rotor that's supposed to be in the front. So check this out. This is This is the rear brake rotor. Look how thin that is. And check out the front brake rotor. All right, I'm gonna sit this side by side. Yo, let me know. Compare it. You see that? See how thin the brake, the rear brake, the front brake rotor, the rear brake rotor. So the guy used the rear rotor to the front. Install the new brake rotor. All right, so the next time, make sure you have the right part, and you make sure you're installing the right part. Him, the customer itself, himself. All right, so what we need to do to install the brake pad is install this into the piston. And then the brake pad on the outside, like that. Okay, then we install back the. All right, so at this point, make sure that your pins are both greased up. I know these are brand new. Yours might not be the case. So just make sure you put some grease on them, service them, back and forth. And then install it. Make sure that the bolts are flush, so when we install it, it's smooth and the brake line is not stretched out or making any weird angles. See, like this, it's twisted, so I need to turn it, untwist it. Small things like that. If your brake line is twisted, you can have a little bit of restrictions. So just make sure it's flush and then it's snug, nice and good. Make sure you don't over torque it. Just look up the torque spec if you guys want to use the torque. Put back the lid. You see this what I'm talking about right here? This brake line is pretty smooth. There's no restriction to it. You know, make sure it's not twisted or whatever. Once we got that, so to install the bracket, it's fairly simple. This is gonna be from the outside, so do it like this. Make sure it's in, and then you pull this, and then you press it. Make sure that that thing right there is pressed to the inside, so let's get like a, yeah, make sure it's locked. All right, that's how you do the bracket. Everything here is good to go. We got the right order, brake pad, the bracket. All right, this is good to go. All right, so this is how you replace the brake pads and rotors on a 2019 Subaru Ascent. Questions, comments, concerns, write down in the comment section, man. If you guys wanna see how I'm gonna fix the brake caliper, just keep watching, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the entire process. If this video is helpful, like, subscribe, do the whole shebang, and yeah, we're gonna do the brake caliper now.